These players will be taking the field today. Both teams look balanced and eager to perform. Welcome everyone to this wonderful venue. We have the umpires walking out with the new ball in their hand. Out come the openers, cheered by a good crowd in. Pace bowler into the attack. There must be some nerves as the batsman is set to face his first ball. Good shot for a single. Looks like he enjoys space on the ball. Looks more confident when there's space on the ball. Turned away for a single. That was a poor throw. Needs to be a lot more accurate. Very good running between the wickets. Nailed it. Absolutely. Perfect throw. Well, the captain has been very smart with his bowling changes. Good bowling, it beats him all, ends up. The batsman should watch the ball closely and get in line at the ball. Squeeze a single there, good running. Found the gap beautifully, and that races away to the boundary again. That's an amazing shot. Beautiful timing. He's not going to miss out on those. Four runs, plays into the gap fabulously. That was a good ball and equally well played by the batsman. Will he take him on again? Let's see. Well, that's out. Poor shot from the batsman. Must be kicking himself. And there comes the famous salute. Wonderful to watch. Well, as you can see there, he was never in control of that shot. The close-in fielder should be on their toes to ensure that the batsman stays on strike. Good shot by the batsman. Can they steal a second here? Good shot for a single. It's a full house here, and what an atmosphere we've had for this match. Turned away for a single. Good game awareness. He was covering the throw well. He didn't get any timing on that one. Wow, that was a really wide throw. Well bowled, past the edge of the bat. That was a moral victory for the bowler. Good shot for a single. I tell you what, the slow ball won't be a bad option on this pitch. Beautiful bowling, hitting the right legs. The batsman should watch the ball closely and get in line at the ball. Turned away for a single. Nice throw straight to the top of the stumps. Very good running between the wickets. Direct hit. As a batsman, one should never take on his arm.